the magic garden, and also I'll explain new words with meaning. Now today we are doing reading is fun. In that reading is fun, there are 4 questions given, and I have written all question and answers here, and let's explain one by one. So question number 1, why did the flowers love the little children? Flowers क्यों छोटे बच्चे को पसंद करते थे? Yes, I'll give you the answer. The flowers love the children. Flowers है वो बच्चों को पसंद करते थे because they water their trusty roots. Here we are using for children. मतलब children watered their trusty roots. बच्चे वो flowers के trusty roots थे, उनको क्या देते थे? Watered. Yes, उनको पानी देते थे. What do you mean by trusty? Trusty means तरसियु. Okay? And dug the ground very well. उनका जो ग्राउंड था वो अच्छी तरह से डिगिंग करते थे. ठीक है? So the flowers love the children because they watered their trusty roots and dug the ground very well. Now we will move forward on question number 2. Why did the birds love the children? Birds क्यों बच्चों को पसंद करते थे? I'll give you the answer. The birds love the children. Birds है वो भी बच्चे को पसंद करते थे. क्यों? Because they gave them bread. Here we are using they for children. क्योंकि बच्चे gave them bread. Birds को क्या देते थे? Bread. इसलिए birds को बच्चे पसंद थे. Now we will move forward on question number 3. Name 5 flowers growing in the magic garden. स्टोरी में मैजिक गार्डन में कौन से 5 फ्लावर्स थे जो वो ग्रो हो रहे थे? Yes, I'll write the answer. Sunflowers, poppies, pansies, marigolds and roses. That 5 flowers growing in the magic garden. Now we will move forward on question number 4. What sounds could the children hear in the garden? Yes, बच्चों ने गार्डन में कौन सा साउंड सुना? कौन सा साउंड सुना? The children could hear the sweet songs of the fairies. वहाँ पे फेरीज थी. फेरीज को आप सब जानते हो, ठीक है? तो फेरीज जो स्वीट सॉन्ग्स गा रही थी वो बच्चों ने सुना. So I repeat the answer. The children could hear the sweet songs of the fairies. Now here 4 question and answers complete. Explanation and reading both. Now we will move forward on talk time. In that talk time, there is one poem is given related to roses. Okay, so I sing this poem. I like roses, most roses are red, some are white, some are yellow. Are there blue roses? I have not seen any blue roses. So here I recite this poem related to roses. आप सब जानते हो रोज मतलब उसको हम कहते हैं गुलाब. ठीक है? तो I write here one question. Which one is your favorite flower? Yes. आपका कौन सा favorite flower है? My favorite flower is rose. So learn its name in English. आपका जो भी favorite flower है आपको उसे इंग्लिश वर्ड में लर्न करना है. Now we will move forward on say aloud. Here I have written 6 words. That words we are reading 3 times and I have explaining the meaning of all the words. Now first word is given L-I-T-T-L-E, little. L-I-T-T-L-E, little. L-I-T-T-L-E, little. Little means small. So now next word P-E-O-P-L-E, people. P-E-O-P-L-E, people. P-E-O-P-L-E, people. So people means you all know very well. जो आस पास में लोग होते हैं उसे कहते हैं people. Now next P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. P-U-R-P-L-E, purple. Purple is the name of a color. आप सबको पता ही है. Yes, purple color is my favorite color. वो तो मेरा favorite color है. आपका है? Yes, आप सबका भी होगा. किसी का yellow color favorite होगा, किसी का blue color favorite होगा. Now we will move forward on next word. H-A-P-P-I-L-Y, happily. H-A-P-P-I-L-Y, happily. H-A-P-P-I-L-Y, happily. So happily मतलब खुश होना. Okay. Now we will move forward on next word. S-L-E-E-P-I-L-Y, sleepily. S-L-E-E-P-I-L-Y, sleepily. S-L-E-E-P-I-L-Y, sleepily. So sleepily मतलब जब हमारी आईज होती है वो स्लीपी होती है उसे कहते हैं sleepily. Okay. Now next word P-R-O-U-D-L-Y, proudly. P-R-O-U-D-L-Y, proudly. P-R-O-U-D-L-Y, proudly. Proudly means गर्वती. हमें जो कुछ चीजें आती है वो हम proudly कहते हैं कि वो मुझे आती है. ठीक है. So it's the meaning of proudly. Now we will move forward on next. S-L-I-P-P-E-R-Y, slippery. S-L-I-P-P-E-R-Y, slippery. S-L-I-P-P-E-R-Y, slippery. Slippery मतलब आपको पता है कि जहाँ पे बहुत ही पानी होता है, मड होता है. अभी मॉनसून सीजन चल रही है तो आपके घर के आसपास भी ये सब कुछ होता ही होगा. पानी मड वो दोनों साथ में, तो उसमें हम स्लीप हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, उसे कहते हैं स्लीपरी. नाउ नेक्स्ट वर्ड T-H-I-R-S-T-Y, trusty. T-H-I-R-S-T-Y, trusty. T-H-I-R-S-T-Y, trusty. Trusty means तरस्यू, मतलब जिन्होंने बहुत समय से पानी नहीं पिया हो उसे कहते हैं थ्रस्टी पर्सन. ओके. Now last word P-R-E-T-T-Y, pretty. P-R-E-T-T-Y, pretty. P-R-E-T-T-Y, pretty. Pretty means beautiful. बहुत ही सुंदर होता है कोई भी चीज उसे कहते हैं pretty. Now we will move forward on next topic, teen time. So it's time to do the activity. You have to make a flower scrapbook. How to make a flower scrapbook? First of all, you have to collect flowers and you have to stick on the scrapbook and write the name of each flower. Now I'll show you how to make a flower to stick in the scrapbook. Okay, so look at this. I have stick. Which flower is this? Rose, yes. You all like this flower. And I have written the name of the flower here. R-O-S-E. Rose. And I have stick here. Okay. Now, next. Which flower is this? Okay. This flower is a plumeria. Okay. So, plumeria is also a flower. Okay. इसे हम कहते हैं चंपा. Okay. So, it is a champa. And which color of these? White. And rose का color कौन सा है? Yes, pink. Okay. Now, next. Look at this flower. Which flower is this? Hibiscus. This is a hibiscus flower. And which color is this? Red. Look at properly. Red color है hibiscus का. Now I'll stick beside another flower. The name of the flower is lily. Which color of this flower? Lily. So you have to prepare scrapbook at your home like this. Now next topic, let's see word building. Name 2 words in each petal which you see in a garden. What do you mean by petal? Petal मतलब flowers ની જે પાંદડીઓ હોય. We can say it is called petal. So here I have drawn 5 petals. In that each petals you have to write the names as instruction is given here. Insects. Here you have to write 2 names of insects. In the second petal, the heading is given trees. Here you have to write 2 names of trees. Third petal, the heading is given birds. Here you have to write 2 names of birds. In the fourth petal, the heading is given tools. That tools used in the garden. That names of tools you have to write down here. And the last petal, the heading is given flowers. So here you have to write the 2 names of flowers. So let's see the answer. Insects. Look at here. I have written 2 names of insects. I have written here bee and butterfly. We'll move forward on next petal. The heading is given trees. So I have written here mango and guava. Instead of mango and guava, you can write yourself. Okay. Now the next point, birds. So here I have written the name of the bird, parrot and Mena. Now the next one, tools. So here I have written 2 names of tools. First one, grass cutter and spade. They both the tools are using in the garden. जो grass cut करने में use होता है grass cutter and spade also we can use in the garden. Now I have written here 2 names of flowers. First I have written marigold and rose. Now we will move forward on next point. Let's write. Exercise 1. I have read the instruction of these exercise. Imagine you have a big garden. आपको इमेज करना है कि आपके पास बहुत ही बड़ा सा गार्डन है. What would it look like? वो कैसा दिखता है? Draw a picture here. So look at here. I have drawn and I have imagined कि मेरे पास ऐसा गार्डन है। तो यहाँ पे मैंने सन ड्रॉ किया है, क्लाउड ड्रॉ किया है, बर्ड ड्रॉ किया है, ट्री किया है। Look at here. So everything I have drawn here. So like this, you have to first of all imagine a big garden, and after that you have to draw a picture of a garden at your own. आप अपनी तरह ड्रॉ कर सकते हो। Now we will move forward on exercise 2. What would you like to grow in your garden? आपके गार्डन में आपको क्या ग्रो करना पसंद है? Write 3 sentences giving the names of flowers that you might like to grow in your garden. आपके गार्डन में जो भी ग्रो करना है, यहाँ पे 3 sentences दिए हैं, वहाँ पे आपको flowers के names लिखने हैं। So number 1, in my garden, I would like to grow white roses. I have written here white roses. You can write your favorite flower. जो आप ग्रो करना चाहते हो, वो आप यहाँ पे लिख सकते हो। Now number 2, in my garden, I would like to grow marigolds. तो मैंने सेकंड लिंक में लिखा मुझे मैरीगोल्ड्स ग्रो करने हैं। आप अपनी तरह यहाँ पे कोई और फ्लावर का नेम लिख सकते हो। Now number 3, in my garden I would like to grow lilies. So मैंने थर्ड में लिखा कि मुझे लिलीज ग्रो करने हैं। You can write your फेवरेट फ्लावर। ओके, आपको जो फ्लावर पसंद है वो फ्लावर ही आप ग्रो करने वाले हो। तो आप अपनी तरह यहाँ पे नेम्स ऑफ फ्लावर्स लिख सकते हो। नाउ हियर यूनिट नंबर 1 चैप्टर 2 द मैजिक गार्डन वी हैव कंप्लीट हियर।